The text bounded red is the comment I received on one of my videos about importing SketchUp models into Archicad, and this person was asking why he sees only dots where the model is supposed to be in his Archicad. So let us see the cause and the solution to this. So on my computer, I have two screens. On the left, that is the Archicad screen. On the right, it is the SketchUp screen. I'm going to use the bus models for illustration. So hope you can see that these buses are far away from the center point or the axis, which is the 000 point in SketchUp. At times people open their SketchUp and they don't see these axes on their screen. Let us see how to turn on and off these axes, because they are very important when solving this issue. So to turn them off, you're going to go to View, you go to Axis. Hope you can see that axis has a tick. It shows that the axes are active. If you turn it off, they will disappear. To turn them back on, you go back to View, turn on that. So these axes are very important in this tutorial or in resolving this issue here. So I'm just going to save this the way it is from SketchUp to Archicad. To save this model, you're going to go to File, Save As. So I'll first save it as bus 1. Then I go to Save As Type. I select the lowest version of SketchUp. That's what Archicad can read. Then I save. It will ask, do you want to replace? Just click yes. Yeah, it has been saved. Now we want to import it in Archicad. You're going to go to your folder where you have saved it. It is bus. You have saved it as bus. Just drag it onto your Archicad screen like that. You long press your left mouse button as you're dragging. Don't release it. So when it comes like this, that's when you're going to release. So when you release, it will show a box. That box is the one bounding the objects from the center point of the axis, that is the 000 point, up to the extreme end of the points. Then the diagonal line, that is the center point from the object, or center point of the area bounding the objects up to the 0 point. That's the diagonal line. So it is showing you where you want to place it. So you just click to place. Yeah. So when you place, I want us to select this and see what our colleague is asking. So hope you can see that these pickup points or the nodes are far away from the object. I told you this point in the middle, that is the center point of the bounding box from the 0 point up to the extreme end of the object. So that bounding box has those 4 dots. Then the center point of the bounding box is that. So I think this is what our colleague was saying. Maybe for his case, these objects were far away from this access point. That's why he couldn't even see the model. Now, I want us to resolve that in SketchUp and import again into Archicad. We see how it will look like. So let us go back to SketchUp. So these objects of ours are not grouped. Hope you can see that. So this will be very hard for me to position them at this point. So what I would do is to group them. When I group them, they will show the bounding box of only these objects here. So you select, right click, select, make group. So when you make group, you see this bounding box here. Hope you can see that. So I'm going to use this to move this onto this. So you select your move point. After selecting, hope you can see those nodes there. So I'll select this bottom node. I drag to this point here. That is the 0, point. Hope you can see that. So after doing so, I'm going to save this. I'll go to File, Save As. This time around, I'm going to save it as bus2. And rename bus2. Then save as type, we said we save it as the lowest version of SketchUp. Click that, then save. Since we had already saved, it is asking, do you want to replace it? Just click yes. It has been saved. Now we want to import this version 2. We saw it looks like it is here. So I'll just select it. Long press your right button of your mouse. Then drag into your Archicad screen. Don't release up to when it comes here. Then you release. Hope you can see now the bounding box is very tiny because the models are not far away from the access point. So you click. So after clicking, let us select to see where the nodes are. Hope you can see now the nodes are close as opposed to the first object. So that's how we resolve that issue of our colleague. So in case you have any challenges, please put your comments in the comment section. I'll be able to respond quickly. Thank you.